megalayapost.news.
Hadirin badakisnam ki kalihe kimyola chu bania naga jingking dam nakada ko jingsen jor kate jingking kabala ban bu jingmai ki pajba ka sarkar jala lembaga tanat PWD menta ka singi kalala ban pli pajba no yak jingking balasna thamai ban ailat bania ki kalihe kabadon harum jong kate jingking dam yakani ka jingking bathmai bat ka surok bala pania na umyam ban pania so sha ka surok ban le chanong ba shilong lawan ban pli do ba prastun tensong usembut menteri rang ba ka sarkar jala bat ubade ru menteri ka tanat PWD kum kongsan bat uba daman ba lamari le ka umroy kum sembut kongsan la sakilang ru hagani ka sngin da jingdon lang Sanjay Goyal Commissioner and Secretary PWD ba WR Lingdo Chief Engineer ka PWD ka Deputy Commissioner ka Iska Sales ka kong RM Kurba ka kong Balakang Tiorani Additional Deputy Commissioner ka Riboy uba Vivek CM SP ka Iska Sales Ugiri Prasad SP ka Riboy uba Dilalu Executive Engineer ka PWD Umsning Division lambat kiway yakani ka surok umyam bypass bat ka jingking latay lang ba ka scheme Special Assistant to State Capital Investment haka jinglot ka balakot arpulai klur tengka haba ajung kran hakani kesngi nadu uba prostun tensong kum kongsan bar uba daman bat lamari kum sembut kongsan kilapan pau ya kejung kemen balayo ban plipai ba no ya kani kejung kieng bat kasurong baniarap na kabantaki kalihe banyo banya limba kate kejung kieng ban len shilong namar la shisnam tam ki kalihe kila junjar ban let banwan na kada ko jingkhang banya limba kejung kieng dam kabala sanjor bat kabala bu jingma ya ki ba kilapan paru bawat lamenta kesngi lala ban plipai ba ya kani kasurong bat kate kejung kieng henry kindon kejung te lakam bahaban bu iki kendon kumbala penmi hukum daka Deputy Commissioner ka Iska Sales bagi pulit traffic kin penya iki kali katkum kapur balabu
ngisoto ya ka jingdon kam la ni important jong ka ni ka jingking hoy kat kini ki por ki sigi blade ki bus ki nak super ki truck ki heavy loaded vehicles mo ki claim yo so reban ki claim yo so ban let daw ni usurok ka poro ka lakta ka jinglot jingsep yaw malikro yagi tugi kali lene ki kali ki motor ki kali he lene ki boss kala kamlut so namar ha jaka ban let nane ban posh silong ni hap hapendon kam ni usurok bypass ter kumne ban let na morong keneng ban posh silong ban kit kita kitiar kita rene ki boss pat kibon bekiyeng hangte hapo damsaj hangte namar bali ka daw kolong ba kimlong sore baniyat na gani ka jingking namar kadon ka jingthot igani ka jingking lene ka lakut ya ka snem lene ka warranty ka jong ka kumala ay ka company na do ki por manswara ne manday tengah kani ka por nga so ban ay kublay i Deputy Chief Minister jongi ka jingyo i jingai ka jongi bat ka government kajong i kila penmi ya gani ka jingking kanang ban sok kini ki bus ni ki kalihe ki heavy loaded vehicle baniyat na uni usurok nane sangmat nga taray ki bus ro ki kalakam sok baniyat ki kalihe ra sulat bat kamtam kate ka ISBT ka jongi kanamlong sore ka bakenja kanlong no ka bahuy nado nane sa khamat dalalat yo ni ujingking yo ni usurok amakat kini ki por ka bladeb ni i ka ISBT ka jongi ro hoy ngisotho ka jakayeng jong ki bus ki wan ki per ki state ki jala tamba kalong kenjano namar ba umlong reban yai tementa ngikermer scam ni sikmat kan long functional ba but ngas kan long functional ba but sagawero ngayo snyo ka government kamudra no ya kan ka DTO office ro sini sa po building jong ka SBT try kumtahe ki murra no ya ka DTO office siya kani hapo ko SBT building tengah so banay kublay sar preston tensong iblayo ijngay bat ka department ka jong i bala ayo ni jingking dane sa khamar ka long ka yat ka yeng ka basok baliro ngaso banay kublay saro ya batlem ka lembat ka department ka jong i hapo ka cost zero la bomba kijingerap ngingalayo naga PWD department haliang kisurok kalenti kasengken.
I think almost 2 years now we were not able to allow the commercial vehicles to ply over the main check dam bridge due to so many reasons, and recommendations made by the experts and the technical teams. So on the basis of that, we have to do the restriction. During the course of the restriction, a lot of requests, a lot of complaints reached to the government from different channels, requesting the government to find out alternative, to find out ways and means, and also to make sure that the traffic movement towards Shillong or outside Shillong should be to the nearest distance, like before. So on the basis of that, we were trying to find out ways and means, and ultimately we identified that the temporary solution has to be created, and we decided to sanction this alternate bridge and also approach road, at least to shorten the burden of the stakeholders across the state. So friends, I'm so happy today. I think PWD has created a record that the project has started last year only. It's almost 12 months now. Today we are going to inaugurate this alternate approach, and I'm so thankful to the executive engineer of Omsning Division along with his team for being able to complete this project before time. And I would also like to add, there are so many similar projects which we would like to make sure that the completion is on or before times always. Kan long ka jingker khu kam tam ya ki stakeholders ki ba hak ban ya na kane ka jaka man kasngi ki ba kit ya ki jingkit ki essential commodities but kiwe ki bangi juong ki commercial vehicles nadu la syai kasngi na kaliang jong EDC Shillong ila issue ya katukan notification hakaba labatay benia ki ki jat kali ki bala banya na kane ka jaka na kermen scam ba ki stakeholders kin burom ya kane ka notification khnang ban like kanu ka jingjia ka bas ngosi ka baka kerparu ya baro ki stakeholders sngaw ba ban burok ya ka jing penbek na kaliang ki traffic police jongi na baro arliang ribhoy bat kumju na East Khasi Hills kin penbit kin penbiang ya kalenti kayat kayeng khnang bakanlong kabasuk kabasngan batru ngin na bekenu ya ki jingjia ki bas ngausi.
Megalayapost.news